Welcome to YLC, the Young Leaders Committee that promotes and grows youth leadership that ensures the future leaders lead from today by educating and inspiring them to soar higher and higher.
Welcome to YLC, the Young Leaders Committee, the platform that desires to educate, enlighten, inspire, and see young people in leadership from their youth. Young people, your leadership begins from today, not tomorrow. Our focus in this session is understand the strategies and solutions required. We have moved from tough issues, now we are facing the leader. Strategy is the most essential resource you need to be able to solve any problem. You need a good strategy, the right strategy, and the tough issue is tackled successfully. Strategies make tasks easy to discharge. They make results enviable and to target. A strategy is a statement of your objectives and how you plan to achieve them, using the resources at your disposal to maximize the strength of the organization and minimize challenges in pursuing the goal. This involves setting goals and priorities, determining actions to achieve the goals, and mobilizing resources to execute the actions. Tough issues in leadership can nearly always be surmounted with a good strategy and the will to pursue the solution to the issues. Various issues might require various strategies, but there are strategies that apply across board. And somebody said, every well-planned business strategy has a beginning to provide a foundation, has a middle to support ideas, and has an end goal to be successful. But without remaining agile throughout the planning process, none of these things would be possible. Agility is at the core of every good strategy. Then a blogger had this to say, giving the steps involved in tackling tough issues. He said, 1, define and analyze the problem. Find out what exactly is going on. Next, set some goals to help you approach the issue. After that, brainstorm possible solutions. This is a mental exercise usually based on previous experience or learning. And after that, rule out any obvious poor options by means of a critical review. And then proceed to examine the outcomes or consequences. Thereafter, identify the best solutions to adopt. And next, wisely carry out your solution plan. Finally, evaluate your performance to ascertain how it all went. To successfully tackle tough issues requires certain personal attributes. This is the reason different persons will face the same tough issues with different outcomes. The individual at the center of the storm or saddled with tackling the tough issue will determine whether it is solved or not and the eventual outcome. Therefore, note and work towards the following personal attributes. 1, build resilience. That ability to recover from or adjust easily to misfortune or change and forge ahead against all odds. Next, be determined to reach the end and get the needed solution. Bravery rather than bravado will achieve much more. Build supportive relationships and service them appropriately. Brainstorming skills, acquisition, and preparedness, which are vital to arriving at the right solution, should be your priority. For your information, here are various levels and types of solutions to identify and embrace as you go for solutions in tackling tough issues. This information is necessary because the expected solution may not arrive at once. And so we look at 3 levels of solutions. First, we call it background solution. This is not the expected solution. It's a well-developed game plan that is capable of helping you achieve the set goals. It is a solution of a type. Then basic solution. Some tough issues might undergo a series of stages before the expected solution arrives. This is an encouraging solution, but it's not the full-fledged solution. And then benchmark solution. This is the expected solution in the expected format. Tough times never last, Robert Schuller would say, but tough people do. It takes tough-minded leaders to go about and achieve tough issues in life. Feeble-mindedness is no virtue. Avoid it. Thank you for tuning in. Please like and share this video to lift up another young fellow facing tough issues in life. See you at the next session.